In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks and get started with using payment links. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to streamline your payment process, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in the QuickBooks URL or simply click on your saved bookmark if you already have one. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account, simply follow the prompts to set one up. It's straightforward and won't take much time. Once you have your home page in front of you, you'll notice an easy-to-navigate interface packed with various options to assist you with your accounting needs. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left of your screen. This is your main navigation area. From here, look for the section titled Sales. Clicking on this brings up an array of sales-related functions. Here, you'll find tools that help you manage invoices, customers, products, and services, all essential for running your business smoothly. Moving forward, within the Sales section, there's an option labeled Payment Links. Go ahead and click on it. Payment links are a powerful tool in QuickBooks that allow you to request payments from your customers effortlessly. They can be particularly useful if you'd like to provide an easy, streamlined way for your customers to pay. By clicking on Payment Links, you're taken to a new page dedicated to this feature. On this new page, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click this button to begin setting up your payment links. This is essentially setting the stage for you to start requesting payments via links which you can send directly to your customers. This process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. QuickBooks will likely guide you through a setup process, if required, to ensure that your payment requests are connected to the right accounts. As you follow these steps, remember, the QuickBooks interface is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even for those who may not be the most tech-savvy. If at any point you need a little extra help, look for any tips or help prompts on the QuickBooks page, as they often provide additional guidance right when you need it. And there you have it. 4 simple steps to get started with payment links in QuickBooks. Utilize these steps to enhance your business's payment processing and save time. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your accounting tasks. Stay organized and efficient with QuickBooks.